जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है। कुछ इस तरह से हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है। नमस्ते। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जन्मदिवस के पावन अवसर पर आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं प्रीति कुमारी CSDAV परिवार की सदस्य आप सभी का इस वीडियो में स्वागत करती हूँ। बच्चों के भविष्य निर्माण में हम शिक्षकों की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। हमारे विद्यालय के बच्चों ने हम शिक्षकों के सम्मान में अपनी अद्भुत ऑनलाइन प्रस्तुतियाँ भेजी हैं। आइए बच्चों की इन प्रस्तुतियों को हम देखें, उनका आनंद लें एवं उनका उत्साहवर्धन करें।
Hello everyone, my name is Rohan from class 10th.
And myself Aman of SNAT 10th. On the special occasion of Teachers Day, we are here to celebrate and pay hearty tribute to all our dear teachers who tirelessly work to ensure that they provide a good education to all their students, as we are the nation's future.
He or she is charged with responsibility of creating awareness as well as opening mind of people by installing values, moral and
Thank you.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
ओ मेरे गुरु अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी जान सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे, रहे न रहे। सब कुछ मेरी नस नस में नवकार बहे, फीका ना पड़े ये धर्म मेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरे संग संग मैं चल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
a blessing from God to us. They are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. A teacher teaches us the importance of a pen over that of a sword. They are much esteemed in a society as they elevate the living standards of people.
I thank our teachers for your untiring work of providing education to us through online medium during this tough coronavirus time. 2. Ensure that the children of India do not lag behind.
मुझे बता दे प्यारे प्रभु क्या पसंद है मेरे प्रभु उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए उसे छोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए
उनका है आशीष पाया प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है इनसे ही जन्नत है।
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परा ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
I am Yajitacharya Srivastav of class 7A. गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होत है, गुरु बिन दिशा अजान, गुरु बिन इंद्रिया न संधे, गुरु बिन बढ़े न शान। Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
Teaching has always been considered as the most sacred, noble, and exciting profession. Teachers Day is a special day when teachers are honored for their remarkable contribution. The Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of second President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
In India, September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor teachers for their contribution in shaping the life of students. He believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. This Indian philosopher was also famous for his work on comparative religion, comparative Western and Western philosophy, and was also a teacher in India and at Oxford University in the United Kingdom.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली इस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे राह बाहर के।
Today to commemorate your efforts of our teacher who are believed to be the second parents and guiding master of your life, and it is an honorable occasion from all our students wish our teacher or gurus the Teachers Day, which is celebrated on the 5th of September. The day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
We celebrate Teachers Day every year on 5th September for paying tribute to our teachers for their never-ending guidance and support in our life. Teachers are a part of our life because teachers are leaders who leads us for achieving success in our life.
तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है। घायल मन का पागल पंछी उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार, पंख है कोमल आँख है धुंधली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार, अब तू ही से समझा, अब तू ही से समझा, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है।
On this day, first I salute our second President Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary. He is an ideal for all the teachers. Teachers are regarded as backbone of our society. They contribute gradually to build the students with good characteristics. Teachers Day is an occasion to pay reverence and gratitude to teachers for their selfless efforts in shaping students' career.
Respected principal sir and great teachers, namaste to all. I am Soumya Subhangi of class 9E. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to express my view. A teacher is not someone who is solely confined between the four walls of classroom. Actually, it's quite different. A teacher is sum total of wisdom, experience, kindness, discipline and compassion. A teacher mentors their student with the purest intention of seeing them spread their wings at sky. In shortly, I would say a teacher presents the past, reveals the present and creates the future. So thanks to all of my teachers for taking so much effort for us by teaching online class during this critical situation. Thanks.
Good morning to one and all. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who molded the student into future leader. This day is known as the Teachers Day, which is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of independent India, who himself was a teacher, educationist and philosopher. Teachers are the pillar of a country. They guide and shape the destination of a student. They teach to make a better human being.
We all know we are all gathered here on 5th September to celebrate Teachers Day for commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the legendary teacher and the Vice President of India and second President of India. This day across country by students thank to their teacher for incredible support and guidance. It's really true that the teacher is a source of knowledge and wisdom. They cannot recognize their efforts, so the end of my speech. Let's recognize their efforts and pay respect. Thank you so much.
Teachers Day is celebrated every year. Teachers Day is the most physical occasion in every student's life. Teachers Day is commemorated on the 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It was established in 1962. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan only urged that this day should be celebrated as Teachers Day all over India by not naming his birthday. Teaching is the mother of all professions. Thank you.
Namaste and a very happy Teachers Day to you all. I am Nancy Nidhi of class 9. First of all, I am very thankful to all my teachers to continually inspiring me to do my best. I think there is no word which can truly define a guru or a teacher. But here is a little try of mine to say something about them. A guru can guide us to the supreme knowledge of that which pervades all living and non-living beings in the entire universe. I salute such a guru. They can save us from the pangs of ignorance by applying to us the blame of knowledge and awareness of the Supreme. I salute such a guru. At last, I am very thankful to all my teachers for supporting and enlightening my views. Have a very nice and wonderful Teachers Day. Thank you.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year, marked by the birth of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the President of India and was an excellent teacher too. On this particular occasion, let me convey my gratitude towards my teachers who are giving a tremendous contribution in the field of education to all of us. They are only the one who can help us to reach our goals.
After anybody becomes a genius, 95 out of 100 people utilize their knowledge in shaping their own future, as we taught from our childhood. But the remaining 5 out of 100 people utilize their knowledge in creating another 100 geniuses for shaping their lives. And these 5 people from a crowd instead of being a part of the crowd, become a cause of the crowd. And these legends are commonly known as teachers. This is Kautilya Ved from a temple full of these gems known as CSTAV, bowing in front of all those legends on a single day in a year, dedicated to all them whose obligation cannot be paid by paying lifetime. Thanks.
Mr. everyone, I am Ayush from Mr. Nirnay. As we all know, Teachers' Day is ahead, and this time we're going to celebrate Teachers' Day virtually. As we all know, teachers are our future builders, and in such a bad condition of COVID-19, still they are giving their best. They come in the front of camera, and which they never faced before, and they are giving their best for us. So I think for me and for us, teachers are our real heroes. We have to salute our teachers, and I would like to thank you, our teachers, for such a great work for us.
Myself Natraj from class 10th, and I am going to deliver a short speech on Teachers' Day. So friends, as we know that Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. On that day, India's second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, was born. He was a great teacher as well as a scholar. A teacher contributes a lot to the nation development, because a country should be developed only if its education is good. So we can regard teacher as a nation builder. A teacher sacrifices his whole life to the students.
Here I am Tripti Singh of class 7C, and I am going to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year to honor the contribution by the teachers. It is the day for expressing honest and love towards the teacher. This day is celebrated on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a philosopher, teacher and second president of India.
सभी शिक्षक, शिक्षिकाएं और मेरे दोस्तों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं रश्मि प्रिया कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा आज अपने सभी शिक्षकों की आभारी हूँ कि इस कोरोना महामारी में भी मुझे अपनी बातों को वीडियो के द्वारा प्रकट करने का मौका मिल रहा है। आज 5 सितंबर, जिसे हम शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में प्रत्येक साल मनाते हैं, वो शिक्षक जो हमारे जीवन और भविष्य के उज्जवल और सफल होने के लिए महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। शिक्षक एक दीपक है जो हमारे अंदर निरंतर ज्ञान के उजाले भरते रहते हैं।
Myself Aditya Raj of Standard 7C. I am the student of CSDAV Public School in Motihari. I am come here to say about the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born in 1888 in Madras. He was a very talented student in his school. He was very poor. He was belong from a very poor family of Brahmins. He completed his study by the scholarship. After completing his scholarship, he completed many degrees like MA. After completing his MA degree, he became a professor in the Madras in Kolkata. He was very prestigious man about his study and about his physical and political.
नमस्ते, मैं खुशी प्रकाश CSDAV पब्लिक स्कूल मोतिहारी के कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा आज 5 सितंबर के अवसर पर भारत के मनस्वी व वर्चस्वी शिक्षक सह भारत के प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जन्मोत्सव पर संपूर्ण देश के ओजस्वी व तेजस्वी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की कोटि कोटि शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करती हूँ। ये मेरे हृदय के उद्गार हैं कि आप नैतिकता के सृजन करता है, अज्ञानता के हरता है, नवचेतना के सृष्टि करता है और संपूर्ण विश्व के निर्माता है। समय सीमा के अनुशासन से बंधी मैं शब्दों से दीन और भाषा से गरीब माँ शारदे के समस्त साधकों से केवल इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप घर घर को चांद सितारों से सुंदर संसार बनाने वाले सुंदर संसार बनाने वाले नित ज्ञान सुधा से सींच सींच धरती को स्वर्ग बनाने वाले आप विद्या वारिधि तिमिर हरण बुद्धि विधाता चिर उदार मूर्छित निस्तेज का हाथ पकड़ गांधी सुभाष बनाने वाले आप सभी को पुनः शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
A teacher is the compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom of pupils. Thank you for the continually inspired to do my best. You help strive my goals. I found guidance, friendships, helps, discipline in everything in one person, and that person is you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate the Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make the future bright for all of us. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them the ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the students and the nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in the commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leaves the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you, everyone.
Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी जान सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ मेरे गुरु सब कुछ मेरी नस नस में नवकार बहे, फीका ना पड़े ये धर्म मेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरे संग संग मैं चल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।